Now we're here with Pup affectionately known as number 2.
Sorry. Sorry, little girl.
Start from the front of the pup. This one does have quite an underbite. Looking scared. Yeah, I think the light